Let's delve into SoFi promising dynamics, encompassing market sentiment, technical trends, and pivotal data insights. Welcome to Stock Analysis, your go-to destination for insightful market analysis and investment strategies. If you're ready to navigate the world of stocks with confidence, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today, I want to talk to you about SoFi. Things are looking quite good. I want to discuss some current data points and give you everything you need to know for today. Let's get straight to the point. So, we're heading into the power hour. The market is currently up by 1.7 or 9.7%. 35.6 million shares are being exchanged, with an average of 58, so a bit lower volume. Here are some transactions that have occurred in the secondary market over $100,000. You can see that big money isn't coming in for long positions today. Today volume is mostly derived from algorithmic trading. There's a bullish sentiment in the market, so I is riding on their tune if you understand. The Fear and Greed Index is currently at 78. So once again, you can see that the market just naturally wants to go up. It's the result of that. The market is open, mostly in a happy mood. The biggest bump up was most likely for market makers covering options. And the interesting thing is that SoFi easily and without any hassle climbed above this pivot point. So right now, the pivot point is at 8.28, and it's flirting with that. So we just have to see whether it closes above or below during power hour. Last-minute concerns regarding CPI. So this is coming out tomorrow. As I've mentioned, it's either going to make or break the broader market. So again, we just have to wait. So far, there's no news, no SEC filings. So again, it's just the broader market, technicals, and many other things guiding it. There are no new analyst ratings. So today is one of those days where you just sit back, enjoy, watch the stock, see what it does. And again, make a mental note of 8.28. But I think generally CPI should be pretty good and should hold above this pivot point. So maybe the next step could be $9.28. And then it depends on FOMO, which starts in the broader market. It could then reach about 9.89 again. But these are all small things. I believe, according to Elliott Wave Technicals, it's a bit more favorable around 10.50 in the midterm, if that makes some sense. Looking at options, calls worth $6.76 million are being bought versus 1.95 million inputs. Today, all options are 50% optimistic and bullish. Looking at call options, there is a consensus that they'll be around $9. And regarding the puts being bought, there is a consensus. Below 7.50. It's a bit extreme. It's clear that it could come from anywhere. Maybe some negative CPI, I don't know. I know, every time I ask, only one or two people say they want SoFi to go down. And that's only because they want to collect more shares at lower prices. It makes some sense. But remember, when we talk about SoFi, it's like a fast calm, or what I think isn't the correct phrase. But you guys understand because technically, when technicals break, then a downtrend becomes strong. And this is the very place where you might actually see at least 7, or maybe even 6 faces. That's why it's necessary for you to look at the technicals. Absolutely. The interesting thing is that shorts are bringing back nearly 500,000 shares, shorting about 16.54% of the free float. And I've talked a lot about shorts and why they're now at 16.54%. The strange thing is that, still, NASDAQ has submitted new numbers, showing that 150 million shares have been shorted. But technically, this is the same place where Ortex takes that information, adjusts it up to the current date. And this is why you have a short of 16.54% of the free float. So again, shorts have kind of doubled down a bit lately because the borough average is 1.1%. So hopefully if CPI is good and if retail sales are also good, then you might see more FOMO than we haven't seen in a long time. So shorts might just be guessing. And that's why you're seeing nearly 500,000 shares brought back today. So again, hopefully there are better and bigger things for SoFi. To talk about the technicals and everything you should know about it. One thing I want to quickly discuss is seeking alpha picks. And the reason for that is, for some people who struggle with building a portfolio or anything else, there's a very good, well-performing portfolio where they are very transparent. Whenever they pick something, they provide detailed information, including the price and everything. For example, their last pick was Twilio with the ticker symbol to glow on February 1st. And so far, the stocks they have picked, I believe until the end of 2022, their performance has been quite good. Their return is approximately 105.6% compared to S&P, which is 32.84%. Generally speaking, it's going quite well overall. Thanks for joining Stock Analysis. Stay informed with our market insights. Hit subscribe for expert strategies, and let's navigate the stock world together. Happy investing!